In this video, I'd like to talk about what is the best format to export from Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the how to do it. Press Ctrl M to export, and as you can see, this is your export window. And I choose in the format. I choose H.264. So you can choose that, and automatically it will be selected. Otherwise you can choose high Birate. So that is the best format I found, and keep exporting stuff, see the qualities, and this quality is same as the original quality, as you can see on the output section. You can also see in other types if you like, but this is the best quality. You can also select use maximum render quality, but it's going to take a little more time and the file will be a little bit bigger, but I prefer and this version is probably the most perfect. And yeah, that's basically it. That's the basic format you are going to choose, and you can just export and wait for it to finish. It depends on your RAM and your processor speed, how fast that will be. But yeah, anyway guys, if this video helped you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and take care. See you guys next time.